Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Kumar. I hope you are doing well. I forget to upload my day 4 video on YouTube. So today I am uploading day 4 and day 5 together. Let me start with day 4. When I went to the kitchen, I saw the food was already prepared. The food was cooked by Mama ji. My Mama ji. After that, Mama is went to the store because he has a job there. There I brushed it and got fresh. I went to the kitchen again and saw food like rice, dal, and vegetable dish. I ate the food of it was very tasty. After some time, my mama is called me. I filled the form and gave it back him. He said thank you. Then I come back to the flat. I open my laptop. I study React.js. I watch the lecture and study in React.js. I watched the lecture studying about for 2 hours continuously. After that, I check my WhatsApp my in my group. And my team lead is sent a message. We discussed on a idea related to Microsoft Imagine Cop. And then I the meet in that later I went to the store again. My mama said that you would eat food from a hotel. I ate rice and kitchen and it was good. After that I returned to the flight. I used my phone for some time, scroll reels, and then I sleep. Now let's talk about the day 5. Day 5. Now on day 5 I wake up the 2 o'clock. I follow almost same morning time morning routine. I stay in the room most of the time. I was the YouTube studying little and using Instagram from some time. That was my day 4 and day 5 routine. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon with the next video. Thank you.